Building WordPress projects can be stressful with tight deadlines and rising client expectations. Traditional methods often take weeks, wasting time and money on slow setups, staging issues, and tricky migrations. Hi, I'm Andrea. After years of navigating these challenges, I discovered InstaWP, a tool that has revolutionized my workflow. It helped me cut timelines in half, save up to 30%, and keep my clients happier than ever. So let's rewind a little bit. Setting up a new WordPress project can take hours or even days. From configuring hosting to troubleshooting local setups and tackling time-consuming migrations, it all adds up. For me, the hardest part about this was explaining these delays to clients who couldn't understand why a simple website wasn't ready. Frustrating, right? But here's the good news. It doesn't have to be this way. That's where InstaWP comes in. It's a tool I discovered that changed everything for me. With InstaWP, you can create a fully functional WordPress website in under a second. Yes, you heard me right. Seconds to be more precise, and you're ready to go. No more waiting for servers to set up, no more dealing with complex local environments. Whether you're building a quick demo for a client, testing out plugins, or starting a full-scale project, InstaWP makes it instant and effortless. And it's not just about speed. InstaWP is packed with features that simplify every stage of your workflow, from hosting to staging, testing, and migration. So let me walk you through how InstaWP saves me hours of work, and more importantly, how it keeps my costs down. So first, let's talk about hosting. Setting up a traditional hosting environment can take around 2 to 5 hours. With InstaWP, it takes less than a second. That is 2 to 3 hours saved per project, just like that. Next is staging. If you have ever needed a staging site to test a plugin, code, or just to share a preview with a client, you know how complicated that process can be. InstaWP creates staging sites in seconds, saving you another 5 to 10 hours per week. And migrations, traditional methods can be a nightmare, and I know that firsthand. But InstaWP has a one-click migration tool that makes moving a site to production smooth and stress-free. By automating these repetitive tasks, InstaWP gives you back valuable time. Time you can spend building great websites, or better yet, relaxing. Alright, now let's talk numbers. With traditional workflows, you're looking at hosting costs, for example, about $50 to $100 per project. Additional staging and migration tool, about $30 to $50 per project again. And of course, the hours that you spend manually setting up everything. When you add it all up, a single project can easily cost you about $300 or more. So you're looking at $300 plus per project versus InstaWP $9 per month. Also, InstaWP, on the other hand, offers plans starting at $9, as I said earlier, per month, and other plans that you can check them out. That is less than the cost of a latte, and it saved me hundreds of dollars annually. So let me show you how easy it is to get started. Here's the InstaWP dashboard, where we can create a new site with just one click. Done. It's literally that fast. And here's the migration tool. Whether you're moving a site to production or creating a temporary demo, InstaWP makes it effortless. Everything just works. No hiccups, no stress. So there you have it. With InstaWP, I completely transformed my WordPress workflow in just 24 hours. From on-demand staging to bulk updates and hassle-free site management, it's been a game changer to me. And don't forget, use code YouTube50 to get 50% off your monthly plans for the next 6 months. If you're ready to level up your WordPress workflow and save a ton of time, trust me, InstaWP is the tool you need. And it's so easy to get started. And I promise you, you will wonder how you ever worked without it. So why wait? If you are looking to deliver WordPress projects faster, more affordably, and without the usual headache, InstaWP is the tool for you. And your clients will notice the difference. And your budget will thank you. And trust me, your peace of mind will skyrocket. Click the link in the description to get started today. And don't forget to use the exclusive coupon code for an even better deal. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more tips to elevate your WordPress development game.